Welcome to FlashProxy V2, where proxy management gets easier than ever. Introducing the all-new FlashProxy dashboard, redesigned and upgraded for a smoother, faster experience. With V2, you'll get significantly improved performance for faster and more reliable control. A modern, cleaner UI/UX that's easier to navigate. Enhanced analytics with deeper insights into your usage. All your data and configurations stay exactly the same. We built V2 with one goal: to give you the most reliable and enjoyable proxy management experience on the market. New features include easier control for rotation time and sticky sessions, simple port access for HTTPS and SOCKS5, a 1 GB trial you can activate instantly, no interaction needed, a built-in usage tracker for clear monitoring, loyalty rewards for active users, your choice of dark or light theme, faster and simpler credential resets, and speed selection directly inside the residential proxy dashboard. FlashProxy V2, where proxy management gets the easiest. Your experience upgraded.